Let's make a creative juice smoothie. Welcome back to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show, where we make plant-based cooking easy. I'm Jill, and today we are making a creative juice smoothie for our sponsor Podia, who reached out to us to make this recipe to boost your creativity. But more about them in just a minute. So what we have today are these ingredients that are all wonderful at boosting your brain health. So we're going to start out with red dragon fruit, which is also called Podia. And I get it in the grocery store, in the frozen section, just in this package like this. And it's already portioned up into these little individual packs, which I'm just using one of these today, which equals about 1/3 of a cup if you're using a fresh one. So just gonna throw that in there first. Red dragon fruit increases the oxygenated blood to the brain, and it's loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. Next, we have 1/3 of a cup of blueberries, and these are the wild blueberries, just a little, they're a little bit smaller than the regular size. You can use either size that you want. I just like these better because I feel like they have a little bit more flavor to them. Blueberries help improve your cognitive function, and the more blueberries you eat, the better. Okay, the next ingredient we have is 1 teaspoon of flax meal. Flax seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids like DHA, which help improve memory function. Before we add this next ingredient, let me tell you a little bit about Podia. Podia is a platform that gives us the tools we need to run our online business. This means we use Podia to build our member community, manage our newsletter, and host and sell our popular online courses and ebooks, all from one unified place. The supporting member community we have built on Podia has truly made it possible for us to focus full-time on creating the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show and offer our recipes freely to everyone who needs them. Jeff and I run every aspect of the show ourselves and haven't needed to hire someone to build or edit web pages or have to worry about making a tweak here or there. Podia is built so that it's easy to make things look great. Everything is in one place with one login. We don't have to figure out how to use or connect a bunch of tools. It all just works, and it all just works together. You can start a community, build a full website, make your products, and start your email marketing all for free when you sign up at plantbasedcookingshow.com/Podia. The next ingredient we have are walnuts. So this is about 1 tablespoon of walnuts. They also have the omega-3 fatty acids that help improve your brain function. Next, we have 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon contains an antioxidant, manganese, which is crucial for brain health. The next ingredient is 1 whole banana. Bananas contain tryptophan, which convert into serotonin, which is the feel-good amino acid. And last but not least, we have hibiscus tea. This is 1 cup of hibiscus tea. Hibiscus reduces oxidative stress and improves your memory. Now all that's left to do is blend it up. All right, let's go for a taste. And look at that color. If that doesn't make you feel creative, I don't know what will. All right, here we go. That is so good, and that cinnamon especially just boosts it and makes it taste that much better.